Welcome to our deep dive into Python data types and variables. Building on our introduction to Python, we'll explore how to work with different types of data practically. Today's session will focus on real-world applications and common programming scenarios you'll encounter. Our focus today is on practical mastery. We'll not just learn about data types and variables, but understand how to use them effectively in real programming scenarios. By the end of this session, you'll be able to confidently work with different data types and understand when to use each one. Variable naming is crucial for writing maintainable code. Following Python's naming conventions makes your code more readable and professional. The PEP 8 style guide recommends using lowercase letters with underscores for variable names. Choose names that clearly describe what the variable represents. This helps tremendously when reviewing code later or working with others. Python handles numbers through two main types: integers, whole numbers, and floats, decimal numbers. Understanding when to use each is crucial for accurate calculations. Integers are perfect for counting and whole number operations, while floats are essential for financial calculations, scientific computations, and any decimal arithmetic. Be aware that float arithmetic can sometimes produce small rounding errors due to how computers represent decimal numbers. Strings in Python come with a rich set of methods for text manipulation. We've seen basic string operations, but now let's explore more powerful features. The f-strings provide an elegant way to format strings with variables. Methods like strip, upper, and lower are essential for cleaning and standardizing text data. These operations are commonly used in data processing and user input handling. Type conversion is a crucial skill in Python programming. Often, you'll need to convert between different data types, especially when working with user input or processing data. Understanding these conversions and their limitations helps prevent runtime errors. Always validate data before conversion and handle potential errors appropriately. Boolean values and operations are fundamental to program logic. They're used for making decisions in your code and controlling program flow. Understanding how different values convert to true or false in Python is essential for writing robust conditional statements. Boolean operations often form the basis of business logic in applications. This practical example demonstrates how different data types and variables work together in a real application. We're handling string input, converting types, performing validation, and formatting output. This pattern is common in many applications, from web forms to data processing scripts. Notice how we use try-except to handle potential conversion errors safely. Understanding common pitfalls helps you write more robust code. Always validate data types before operations, provide sensible default values, and handle errors gracefully. These practices will save you debugging time and make your applications more reliable. Remember that Python's dynamic typing is powerful but requires careful handling to prevent runtime errors. We've covered a lot of ground in understanding Python's data types and variables. Remember that good programming isn't just about making code work, it's about making it work reliably and maintainably. Apply these concepts and best practices in your projects, and you'll develop more robust and professional Python applications. Practice with real-world examples, and don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches to solve problems.